use it to make a very basic ring. The ring, I'm going to use the wire 0.8 first. Yes. I will grab my string of pearl and try to following along. Yes, let's go. First, we can cut a wire in about 30 centimeter. Hello, Yanni. Happy to see you. Let's make a jewelry set by these blue beads. This is a glass beads, very cute and nice matte color. And let's go through in. Okay. Then let's make a piece of the ring first. This one. This is a very, very easy ring we are making. Not nature crystal. It's glass pearl. Here. Then use your 2 fingers to twist it. This is a design especially for the people who want some very, very easy ring. Here. This one. Wrapper. Here. This way. The wrapper. Tight. Wrapper. And we tight. After tight it, then we cut. Okay, cut it here. Then let's go wrapper. The wrapper. The wrapper. Here. So it's this way. We finished a very simple ring. Hi, Royson. Happy to see you. Hello, OC Link. Happy to see you. So the first design we made. And then let's go to make the second design. It's going to make another